Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well this week. For the craft, we are going to make a bird kite. So what you need for this, paper, so either colored construction paper or just normal white paper. You need a stapler, you need a hole punch, so something to make a hole. A single hole punch would be better, if not you can use a 2-hole punch, or if you don't have any of that, you can make the hole with a pencil or scissors. But if you're going to do that, then please make sure your parents are helping you. You need scissors, glue, and a pencil and a marker. So I'm going to take you through it step by step. So first step, take your paper, fold it in half, make sure it's nice and creased. So yeah, as you can see, I folded it in half. Next thing you're going to do with the opening at the top, you are going to take one side, you're going to fold it over just like that, you're going to hold on to it. But you're going to take the other side, and you're going to do the exact same thing to the exact same spot. So once you do that, it should look like that. You're going to take your stapler and you're going to staple it just near the end here. So once it's stapled, it's good to go. Should look like that. You're going to take your marker and you can draw, this will be the head, so you can draw an eye on this side. So I'm just going to draw. There you go, got the eye drawn on. So, as you can see, bird, there's the head. You can see I drew on the eye. The next thing I did was I cut out from another piece of paper a beak. So you're gonna put glue on that, and you're gonna glue it right here. So we're gonna put glue on both sides. Of the beak. And then you're going to put it right between the two. And then you're just going to hold it. So it looks like that. You can see. You're just going to hold it for a second, make sure it's glued on. You can add more glue, which you might have to do to make sure it sticks. So that's the first couple of steps. As you can see, the eye looks like that. Next, I cut out a tail from the same piece of red construction paper. So you're going to do the same thing you did with the beak. You're just going to glue it and it's going to go in the back just like that. So we'll do that now. Again, you're going to put glue on both sides of it so it sticks. Again, so that goes in the back, and then you can just hold it shut for a couple of seconds, make sure it's nice and glued on there. So that's glued. I'm just gonna add glue to the front because it seems to be alright. So you have the beak, the tail, you have everything set up. Now what you're gonna do is take your hole punch. So again, I have a 2-hole punch, so I'm gonna have to be a bit creative with how I make the hole. But you want to make it just beside where the staple is. So not on the folded part, but about right there on the back part. I'm gonna go ahead and make that now. There you go. As you can see, it worked perfectly. So now there's a hole, and you're gonna put the string through that hole. So now you take your string, as much as you want. You're just gonna put it through the hole, and your parents can help you with this. And you're just gonna tie a knot, so it doesn't come through. There. So as you can see, it's tied, and then you can just unstring it and cut however long you want it to be. There you go. And there's your bird kite. Pretty cool. And it does work. I tested it. I made one and tested it. So that's something really easy and fun you can do, and you can use it outside and spend some time outside. So have fun, enjoy your weekend, and we'll talk soon.